Jeju Island, a world apart. South Korea pulses with energy, its cities hum with life, but off the coast a different pace awaits. Jeju Island is a sanctuary, it's a place to breathe, the air is clean and crisp. Volcanic peaks touch the sky, emerald waters lap at the shores. Jeju is an island born of fire, it's a land shaped by ancient eruptions. The result is a landscape unlike any other. Imagine black sand beaches and lush green forests. Picture waterfalls cascading into turquoise pools. This is Jeju, it's a place of wonder. Jeju's beauty isn't just skin deep, the island is steeped in history and tradition. The spirit of ancient Korea thrives here. You feel it in the air, you see it in the smiles of the locals. Jeju is a world away from the mainland. It's a place to escape the everyday. It's an island that will capture your heart. Halasan Mountain dominates the Jeju skyline. It's a shield volcano, a gentle giant, its slopes are cloaked in green. 5 hiking trails lead to the summit. Each offers a unique perspective on the island's beauty. The trails wind through forests. They pass by waterfalls and rock formations. The air grows cooler as you ascend. The world seems to shrink below. At the summit, a crater lake awaits. It's a reminder of the mountain's fiery past. The views from here are breathtaking. On a clear day you can see the entire island. Climbing Halasan is a journey. It's a chance to connect with nature. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. Gyeongsan Ilchulbong rises from the sea. It's a volcanic cone, perfectly formed. The locals call it Sunrise Peak, and it's easy to see why. Every morning the sun rises over the horizon. It casts a golden glow on the peak. The sky explodes with color. It's a sight that takes your breath away. The hike to the top is short but steep, but the view is worth every step. You can see for miles in every direction. The coastline stretches out before you. The ocean shimmers in the morning light. Gyeongsan Ilchulbong is a magical place. It's a place to witness the beauty of nature. It's a moment you'll never forget. Beneath Jeju's surface, a hidden world awaits. Lava tubes snake through the island's underbelly. They are remnants of ancient eruptions. Now they offer a glimpse into the island's fiery past. Stepping inside a lava tube is like entering another world. The air is cool and damp. Darkness surrounds you. Your footsteps echo in the silence. The tubes are adorned with formations. Stalactites hang from the ceiling. Stalagmites rise from the floor. They are created by dripping water, slowly shaping the rock over centuries. Exploring a lava tube is an adventure. It's a chance to step back in time. It's a reminder of the power that lies beneath our feet. Section 5. Haenyeo, the legendary mermaids of Jeju. The women of Jeju are strong, they are independent. They are the Haenyeo, the women of the sea. For centuries they have dived for seafood. They do it without scuba gear, holding their breath for minutes at a time. The Haenyeo are a symbol of Jeju. They represent the island's resilience. They embody the connection between the people and the sea. Today you can meet the Haenyeo. They sell their catch at local markets. They share their stories with visitors. They are living legends, keeping tradition alive. Meeting a Haenyeo is an honor. It's a chance to learn about a unique culture. It's a reminder of the strength of the human spirit. Section 6. Villages of Tradition. A glimpse into Jeju's past. Jeju's villages are charming. They offer a glimpse into the island's past. Stone walls line the narrow streets. Traditional houses with thatched roofs stand side by side. Life moves at a slower pace here. You can feel the weight of history. You can sense the connection to the land. Wander through the villages. Visit local shops and cafes. Chat with the friendly locals. Experience the warmth of Jeju hospitality. The villages are a reminder of simpler times. They offer a welcome respite from the modern world. They are a place to connect with the true spirit of Jeju. Section 7. Hiking trails and hidden gems. Exploring Jeju's diverse landscapes. Jeju is a hiker's paradise. Trails crisscross the island, offering something for everyone. From gentle walks along the coast to challenging climbs up volcanic peaks, there's a path for every level. Explore the island's diverse landscapes, hike through lush forests and along dramatic coastlines, discover hidden waterfalls and secret beaches, look for the island's hidden gems, visit ancient temples and shrines, discover secluded gardens and peaceful parks. Let Jeju surprise you. Every step is a journey of discovery. Every turn reveals a new vista. Let the island's beauty unfold before you. Section 8. A culinary journey, savoring the flavors of Jeju. Jeju's cuisine is as unique as its landscape. Fresh seafood is a staple. Black pork is a local delicacy. Mandarin oranges add a burst of citrus flavor. Try the island's signature dishes. Sample fresh sashimi and grilled seafood. Indulge in a bowl of hearty pork noodle soup. Savor the sweetness of a freshly squeezed mandarin juice. Dining in Jeju is an experience. It's a chance to taste the flavors of the island. It's an opportunity to connect with the local culture through food. Let your taste buds guide you. Explore the local markets and restaurants. Discover the culinary delights that Jeju has to offer. Section 9. Jeju Island. An unforgettable escape. Jeju Island is a world apart. It's a place of stunning beauty and rich culture. It's an island that will stay with you long after you've left. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Jeju has something to offer. Hike up volcanic peaks, explore ancient lava tubes, or simply relax on pristine beaches. Jeju Island is calling. Answer the call and discover the magic for yourself. It's an experience you won't soon forget.